Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another limited edition and it is next the Little Luxuries Beauty Box. It costs £12 and it contains 5 beauty products. A little mini one here, so if you're interested in this box, I'll pop it down below in my description, as well as all the other limited editions that Next have brought out. There's currently quite a few new ones on there, especially if you like your one branded boxes. I believe there's a Clarins, a Neom, and I can't remember what else now, but there's quite a few boxes there to choose from. So I'll pop a link to the whole page. You're able to pick and choose which ones you want to take a look at. Plus you find links to any giveaways I've got running and all my discount codes and offers for other websites. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So let's get on to showing you then what's inside this box. These little boxes are great. The price points of the Next boxes range from £12 up to, I want to say, about £40, something like that. So I think the fact that they've got these £12 ones, as well as like a little treat for yourself, they also make really great gifts, a birthday treat or something like that. So I think it's brilliant that Next do them. So a little sneak peek there. There's no information in the box about the products, but what I can tell you is that with this particular box, you did have a choice of 2 moisturizers. You could either choose the Moisture Surge by Clinique or what I'll show you first, It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. Now the Clinique one is out of stock. If I would have had a choice of the 2, I would have gone for the Moisture Surge. It's been a long-standing favourite of mine for many, many years. I just love it. It's great on my skin. So I don't mind this though. It's something different, something new. It says it's anti-aging armour for all skin types. Transforming Moisturising Super Cream. And there's 7 mils here. I believe the Clinique one was 15 mils. If you want to find out any more information about these products, then you'll be able to do so on the Next website. Just a little bit there. Oh, it feels nice. It does feel a very subtle smell, not much. Wow, it feels quite rich as well. So what's it called? Confidence in a Cream. Then we got a little mini Pixi. This is a milky tonic. Something new for me. A soothing tonic. 40 mils. So what's it all about? Use daily or as needed? I'm going to have to look online and I'm going to have to tell you a little bit more about it, I think. It's a calming and hydrating milk-enriched tonic to comfort complexion, infused with oat extracts to help soothe and balance even sensitive skin whilst being hydrated, nourished and relaxed. Relaxed, okay. It's a weird word to describe your skin. That sounds a little bit different. I am suffering from spots again. Oh, I haven't had spots in 8 years. I'm not going to bang on about it. If you've been following me for a while, you will know. I've come off my acne medication. Long story. I will get around to doing a video about it. I have started, and if you want to learn more about it, it's to do with polycystic ovary syndrome. And I am starting to regret coming off my medication. My skin is so oily. For the first couple of weeks, I was thinking, "Way, the medication, it's fine. Nothing's happening." No, I got some spots growing on my chin there. I've got loads of makeup on. Try and cover it. I've got them all in my hairline. And my skin is just oily. Oily, oily, oily. I'm having to reshuffle all my skincare now and like treat my skin as blemish skin, which I've never done before. Well, not in the last 8 years anyway. Right, next up, Olaplex number 3. This is a pre-shampoo hair treatment. There is 20 mils here. So you apply it to dry hair, tie your hair up out the way. I put it in a loose like scrunchy bun, leave it for about half an hour or so, and then you rinse it off and then you use your shampoo and conditioner as normal. They say you can use it once a week if your hair is quite normal, but if it's really damaged you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. I've used it in the past and it's always made my hair feel really, really lovely, but I am sort of steering away from Olaplex only because of all the negativity I'm reading online about how long-term use of it is damaging certain people's hair and things like that. And I'm a little bit scared about it, but it is a nice treatment. So there's that. Next, Perricone MD. This is a Cold Plasma Plus Eye Advanced Eye Cream. And there's 5 mils there. Whoa, okay. Got information up. To buy the 15 mil, 10 mils more than this, it would cost you £87. Woo. So do your maths. What's that work out? A third of 87. Ooh. Let's call it 30 quid or just under £30 for this little 5 mil. It's a multitasking powerhouse that uses a proprietary liquid crystal delivering system for faster and deeper penetration of key ingredients. It says use morning and night and keep out of reach of your eyes. Keep out of reach of your eyes. I'm getting confused with children. Keep out of reach, children. No. Keep out of eyes. So we got an eye cream. And then lastly, we've got a facial powder. This is Daily Exfoliant Powder from Dermalogica. Again, this has been a product I've been using on and off for many years. You mix it with water, rub it into your skin. It gives a nice gentle exfoliation. Skin feels amazing afterwards. Yeah, it's lovely. It is nice. It's a brightening powder exfoliant. Achieve brighter, smoother skin every day with iconic exfoliating powder. Rice-based powder activates upon contact with water, releasing papain, salicylic acid and rice enzymes to polish skin to perfection. Gentle enough for daily use. So there you go. So those are all the items inside this Little Luxuries Beauty Box from Next. We got an IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Moisturizer. We got an Olaplex No. 3 hair treatment. We got a Cold Plasma Plus an eye cream by Perricone MD. And lastly from Dermalogica, Daily Micro Exfoliant Powder. I can be bought for £12. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you go for it? Is this the first time you're watching? Or have you gone for any of the other new boxes? Is there any box on the Next website that you would love to see me unbox? Besides the advent calendar, that is, which hopefully I will be unboxing on my channel. But yeah, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.